Yes guys, it's Vishnu here back with the video. So how you all doing? Hope fine and great. So just follow me and subscribe my channel and like my video, and please make sure to watch the video by the end, because in the end I will give you tips which no one talks about. And without making further ado, let's get this started. Guys, so today's topic is that topic which every single one of you can relate from, which is athlete foods. I know you may have not heard this name, but you know, if I will say in simple way, skin infection in between your toes, okay, that's called athlete foods. Now every single one of you, those who go in school, those who stay in the office, the reason is causes is, you know, all the time wearing socks and shoes, okay, then that socks and shoes make exact environment for fungus and for bacteria to grow. So before I become Sadhguru Baba and start giving lecture to you about how to stop it, how you can stop it, you must understand what's causing it, what's really causing the infection in between your toes, right? Because if you don't understand, you may have heard, you know, suppose I gave you a home remedy, you fixed it, after 1 week and 2 weeks, again it will come back if you don't know what's causing it, right? So listen carefully. You know, on our skin all the time fungus and bacteria stays. Lucky to God that God has given that weak eyes that we can't see that bacteria. Why I'm saying that? Yeah, thank God that we have weak eyes, because if really could have seen this bacteria on our skin surface, then trust me, you see all those, you know, hot sexy red lip, even on that red lip there is that much fungus and there is that much bacteria that you can't kiss. As I said, thanks to God that we can't see that fungus. So what I was saying, that all the time on our skin that fungus, bacteria always stay. The thing is, when environment become that eco-friendly for those bacteria and fungus, that it can grow, it can thrive so big that you can see the infection, you can see the symptoms. And how you can see the symptoms of fungus? When it causes the infection. So this is when happen, then you call it infection. Now I'm going to tell you some home remedies which you can fix it, and if you keep doing it, then you will never get this athlete foods. Yes guys, so number one is talcum powder. So in your home, it's not just talcum powder, you can use talcum powder, baby powder, corn starch. In simple way, I can say that you can use any powder you got in your home. Now powder doesn't have any, you know, medicine ingredient which fix athlete foods or infection. How powder can, you know, treat your athlete foods, and how you can treat your athlete foods or infection with powder? Because this bacteria, this fungus thrive in sweaty and warm place, right? So when you keep this powder, so what this powder does, this powder keep that infected area very clean and very dry, and it makes very impossible and very difficult for fungus and bacteria to grow. So you can use any powder, and trust me, just use it for 7 days and you will see the big result. Guys, second one is Vicks VapoRub. Now every single one of you know the use of Vicks VapoRub, and you know that yeah, you must have kept this Vicks VapoRub, you know, way deep under your wardrobe, because winter just have passed. So all you have to do, just go, you know, deep inside your cupboard or your wardrobe where you have kept your Vicks VapoRub, just take it out, because Vicks VapoRub is not just for cold or cough. It has, you know, it has eucalyptus and menthol oil, both which has, you know, antibacterial or antifungal properties. What it does, it kills all the bacteria and all fungus. It's very useful in athlete foods or any skin infection you got so far. So what you have to do, simply just apply Vicks VapoRub directly on your infected area of your skin, and very soon, in just 1 week, if you are applying 2 times in a day, then in just 1 week you will get rid of your infection or athlete foods. Third one is sea salt. Now sea salt has antibacterial and antifungal properties, which make this the greatest natural remedy so far. Why? Because it has power to destroy all the bacteria and all the fungus so far you got in your leg. So what you have to do, simply take sea salt make sure sea salt. Simply take sea salt and just dissolve it. Just take a 1 cup of tea salt, that will be enough. Then dissolve this 1 cup of sea salt. After then simply soak your leg for 30 minutes and just do this once in a day, and constantly do this for 7 days, and you will see your athlete foods will be gone. Yes guys, fourth one is this garlic. This garlic is very useful in treating athlete foods. What you have to do, simply just take garlic cloves, just smash it with any smasher you got in your home. Just smash it. After then make a paste of it and just apply it on your infected area. You won't believe, in some study it's really found that just garlic itself can heal the 80% of your any skin infection just by using it for 7 days. Just by using for 7 days, any infection you got on your skin, if you just using even garlic, even you don't have to use any medicine. So just in 7 days, your skin infection will be gone just by this garlic. Last but not the least, fifth one. Fifth one is rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol on your infected area. And when I'm saying alcohol, I don't mean by this alcohol. Okay, I know when you heard alcohol, I know if I'm saying that bring alcohol and apply on your wound, I know what you're gonna do. You're just gonna bring alcohol and you're gonna drink, and that's not what I'm saying. By alcohol mean any anything which contain the alcohol, like these days there is corona atmosphere, so every home has a sanitizer, and sanitizer contain 90% of alcohol. So you can use your hand sanitizer in your athlete foods or any infected area. So I will simply say, just simply when you wash your legs, wash your leg and take sanitizer, apply on your athlete foods, and it will be so helpful to get rid of this. And trust me, if you keep using, just use this for 4 days or 5 days, and your athlete food will be completely gone. Yes guys, last tips. So this tip is for those who has to wear socks all the time. So what I'm saying, even for kids, those who stay in school, or old people, those who stay in office. So what I'm saying, just try to take a break. Don't just wear socks and shoes constantly for 8 hours, 9 hours. Even you're doing duty for 12 hours, just try to do cheating. So those of you who work in offices, so now these days every offices has a hand dryer. So what you have to do, simply just go to office. Okay, just take your socks out and just simply dry. Dry your socks or dry your leg with that hand dryer. And just try to do this, just take care of your body. Yes guys, thank you very much for watching my video and subscribing my channel. And I just wanted to say only one thing, that every week on Monday I upload new video. So please stay connected and stay tuned with me. And I just want to say only one thing, if you want me to make some some video about some specific and particularly topic, then please feel free to type and say me in comment, and I will remake it. So please support me.